Join me as I challenge myself to eat only gut-friendly foods for a whole week and see how it transforms my health. You know that feeling when you just know something is off, but you can't quite put your finger on what it is? That's your gut feeling talking, and it's so much more than just a hunch. The foods we eat have a profound impact on our gut health, and in turn, our overall well-being. From digestive issues to fatigue and brain fog, it's all connected to what we put on our plates. We've all been there, bloated, tired, and feeling like we're stuck in a rut. But what if I told you that the solution lies in the foods we eat? The truth is, many of us are walking around with poor gut health, and it's manifesting in so many different ways. Bloating, cramps, and discomfort after eating are all signs that our gut is crying out for help. And let's not forget about the fatigue. Waking up feeling exhausted, no matter how much sleep we get. It's like our bodies are screaming at us to make a change. But here's the thing, digestive problems aren't just physical. They can also affect our mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and mood swings. It's all interconnected, and it's time we start taking control of our gut health. So, what can we do about it? The good news is that it's not rocket science. Making a few simple changes to our diets can have a profound impact on how we feel. By incorporating the right foods into our diets, we can start to heal our guts and transform our health. It's not about cutting things out or following a restrictive diet. It's about adding in the foods that will nourish and support our bodies. So, let's dive into some of the best foods for gut health and explore how they can benefit our overall well-being. When it comes to gut health, probiotics are like the superheroes of the food world. They're live bacteria and yeast that are good for our health, and they can be found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. Probiotics help to populate our guts with good bacteria, which can crowd out the bad guys and promote a healthy balance. And the benefits don't stop there. Probiotics have also been shown to boost our immune systems and even aid in digestion. But probiotics aren't the only game changers when it comes to gut health. Prebiotics are like the sidekicks that help probiotics do their job. They're non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in our guts, helping them to thrive and multiply. You can find prebiotics in foods like bananas, onions, and whole wheat bread. And let's not forget about fiber, the ultimate gut health hero. Fiber helps to regulate our digestion, prevent bloating, and even support healthy blood sugar levels. One of the standout gut-friendly foods I want to highlight is bone broth. This stuff is like liquid gold for your gut. It's packed with collagen, which helps to heal and seal the gut lining. And the best part? It's crazy easy to incorporate into your diet. Just add it to your favorite soups or stews, or drink it on its own as a warm, comforting beverage. Another superstar food is kimchi, a fermented Korean condiment made from veggies, garlic, and spices. Kimchi is like a probiotic